Hello everyone, I'm Hirohiko Okamura, professor in Department of Oral Morphology. From now, we will introduce our laboratory.
Hi, I'm Irie, a member of Oral Morphology. I'm currently researching how oral tissue communicates and affects the evolution of the human anatomy. From now, I'll give you a tour of our lab. Let's go! Inside here is the cell culturing area. We can also culture bacteria such as P. gingivalis. Let's move on. Here, we can make tissue sections for HE or histochemistry. Last night was my first attempt at making these tissue sections. Today, I'm planning to use these sections for... Oops, I think I stuck these on the wrong side. Let's move on. Hi, Sari-san.
Hi,
What are you doing?
I'm doing Western blot.
I hope you can get good data.
Oh, thank you.
As you can see, we could do molecular experiments as well. Finally, this is our last destination, the most important space. Why, you ask? This is where we party. Just kidding. This is where we have respectful but heated discussions about our experiments. We are looking forward to welcoming you as one of our members. Hi!
Hi, I'm Junpei Teramachi, Associate Professor of Oral Function and Anatomy. Our laboratory consists of 2 research groups conducting not only basic research but also translational research. Professor Sawa's group focused on the mechanism of lymph vessel-mediated metastasis of oral cancer and the etiology of diabetic nephropathy due to the periodontal pathogens. My research focused on looking for the molecular targets for inhibiting cancer growth and bone destruction in the bone marrow microenvironment. In addition, I collaborate with other institutions to develop the anti-cancer agent with bone anabolic actions. I believe you can obtain a great time and experience in our laboratory. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Ryusuke Yoshida, a professor of oral physiology. Let me introduce our research in brief. We are studying on oral and whole body function which are mediated by taste system. So our keyword is taste. Our main research is to investigate mechanisms for reception, transduction, and modulation of taste. In addition, we examine neural mechanisms for salivation, those of taste sensors in various functions of our whole body. Categories of our research are neuroscience and physiology. This slide shows our original technique for recording taste cell responses. Famous researchers in US admire this technique as tour de force. Don't you want to see this special system? Using such original techniques, we tackle to elucidate the unknown laws of taste in our body. Why taste? Because recent studies demonstrated that taste receptors are expressed in our whole body. Those receptors may have a special function in each organ. Those are targets for improving our healthy and high-quality life. Enjoy studying us. We are waiting for you.
Hi, we are from Biochemistry and Molecular Dentistry departments. I'm Tomomi Mizukawa, a third-year graduate student. Our department is mainly investigating the biology of cartilage, bone, and oral mucosa by molecular and cellular biological approaches. This is Fushenki, a fourth-year graduate student. What kind of research are you doing?
I'm Fu Shanqi from China. My research is about circadian rhythm in cartilage. We found that addition of melatonin, which is a sleep hormone, can adjust some genes' rhythmic expression.
And this is Kavita. How is your research?
Hi, I'm Dr. Kavita Panneerselvam, second year PhD student from India. My research is about generating and analyzing knock-in mice by one gene using CRISPR-Cas9 method.
We look forward to seeing you at OUDS. Thank you!
Hello everyone, I'm Keisuke Nakano, an associate professor in Department of Oral Pathology and Medicine. Now, I would like to introduce our field of oral pathology and our daily activity. Oral pathology is a specialty involved with the diagnosis and study of the causes and mechanisms of disease arising in the oral and maxillofacial regions. A great many diseases involve oral and maxillofacial regions. Among them, oral cancer is a very serious disease. Even now, the prognosis for advanced oral cancer is very poor. So surgical resection for the treatment of oral cancer does sometimes result in loss of oral functions. Therefore, we are conducting research on the mechanism of oral cancer development and progression, and the regeneration of the maxillofacial region. The important task of oral pathology is to make a definitive diagnosis by histopathology. In our department, students can experience the histopathological diagnosis of oral lesions. The student interested in oral pathology, why not experience pathology research and diagnosis in our department? Many international students are enrolled in our department. The door is open to you too. Thank you.
Hello, this is Department of Microbiology, Faculty of Dentistry, Okayama University. I am Masaaki Nakayama, an assistant professor in this laboratory. And I will give you a brief introduction to microbiology laboratory. We are in symbiosis with the bacteria, but pathogenic bacteria sometimes invade and cause infectious diseases. In our laboratory, we mainly focus on mycobacteria, Mycobacterium tuberculosis, MTB, and non-tuberculosis mycobacteria, MTM, and oral pathogen, periodontal bacteria, and aim to clarify the specific characteristics, which are bacterial structure, novel genes, metabolic pathways, and virulence factors. By findings of the characteristics, we believe to contribute to the development of selective and specific target antibacterial agent for pathogenic bacteria. To that end, it is important to first understand microbiology. We have several lectures for dental students: bacteriology, virology, mycology, immunology, infectious disease control, and bacteriology practices. Based on these understanding, we are working on research on various pathogenic microorganisms. If you are interested in microbiology, we welcome you and are looking forward to seeing you someday. Bye!
Hello, this is Yan Ying Nur from the Department of Dental Pharmacology. We are researching the molecular mechanism of our bodies, aiming to create a novel treatment of disease. Our first research theme is about osteoclastogenesis. Osteoclasts are bone resorption cells, and we study on the molecular traffic and degradation in lysosomes and endosome systems in osteoclasts. We secondly focus on the roles of exosomes in disease treatment. Exosomes are 100 nanometer small vesicles. They can deliver proteins and microRNAs to distant organs in our body. Through exosome research, we are clarifying the mechanism of cancer progressions and resistance. We call for collaborators and graduate students. Welcome to join our research group.
Hello, my name is Ahmad Biarudin. I'm from Indonesia. Currently, I'm a PhD student at the Department of Biomaterial, Okayama University. So our research focusing about interdisciplinary research by combining material science and biological science for biomedical application.
Hi, my name is Randa. I'm from Sudan. I joined the Biomaterials department in 2022 and currently I'm a second-year PhD student. And here we have more than 10 international students, not only from East Asia, but also from Southeast Asia and Africa.
Hi, my name is Liang Zifei from China. I joined the Biomaterial department in 2023. I'm the first-year student here. English is the official language in our lab, and we can acquire a lot of knowledge and skills through many seminars and research meetings.
Please check out our lab's website.
Department of Dental Informatics is a new department established in 2017. Our fields of interest are dental informatics, dental economics, dental ethics, and forensic odontology. We use medical informatics and computer science to work on the problems in clinical dentistry, education, and research, thus contribute to their sustainable development. In the field of forensic odontology, we are developing a new method for personal identification. In our research, we CT scanned dental plaster models and created STL data. By using a method called homologous modeling, we found out that the morphology of palate is effective in personal identification. Right now, we have only one staff in the department, and it is not easy to welcome many students. But if you are interested, please contact us. Thank you.